Okay, today Strzelecnica Falcon shooting range. So this is the second shot. Try 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 for the second try.
Good. Celujemy tutaj, tak? W ten obręb.
So look at that. 1, 2. Only two.
Only two.
Only two. 1, 2.
Okay. Wow, very good.
One, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, the ear.
Nice, very nice. Celujemy tutaj, tak?
Nie wiem, widziałem, wydaje mi się, że jedna cała spadła, nie? Mówię, patrzyłem, ale nie widzę jej.
To w tłumie ciężko znaleźć.
Można to podnieść.
Będę tu.
Co nie znaleźć?
So the name of this one?
6 hour.
6 hour. Oh, nice. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Sauger, steel, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we have the revolver.
Revolver.
Okay.
Już można strzelać albo this and this. What is the difference? Ale sobie teraz.
So this is the revolver. This one. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, and right at the gun of the enemy.
Postawa, lewa noga do przodu, pół do przodu, kolba wciśnięta w dołek, strzelecki i okay. Lewa noga do przodu. Tu będzie kot. Tutaj przeładuj. Oh, it's 5.
5?
Yeah.
Okay.
Holy shit.
The videotape that. So the shotgun,
Mosbeck.
Mosbeck shotgun is, as you can see, it spreads out Tiny dots. Five bullets, 5 shells.
Oh.
3 bullets.
Again, 3 bullets.
3. Yeah, this
No
became.
problem.
Okay.
Magazynek. Przeładowanie. Postawa taka sama jak wcześniej. Tak samo tutaj mocno wciskamy. Będziesz sobie zasłaniał przyrządy, musisz tego palucha wziąć w dół. O. Nóżka się przerwili.
For first try. No one's here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 9 points for this one. Nice.
Finish.
Oh my god, that was exhilarating. That was an actual new experience. My god. Whew, it's crazy. Oh my god. Just the adrenaline of holding some gun like that and actually shooting for the first time. That was amazing. Oh my god. That was crazy. So the first few guns were like pistols, Like the second one, I think it was the Ruger or something. Just felt nice in the hands to hold in this trigger, you know, you have to push a bit in and then actually click. I know, I really like the second gun, but the revolver is crazy too. I mean, so strong, like the kickback is so amazingly strong, and the trigger was so sensitive. It's just like a little bit of force, bam, it's shooting. So dangerous. Whew. What else was there? Oh yeah, the shotgun, obviously. Always wanted to try that one. And I wanted to go to the gym later, but right now my right shoulder feels strange. I mean, it's okay a bit, no? But the kickback, you can feel all your muscles being squashed together. Man, but you saw the how do you say it? The target, the paper target. I thought it was the bullet holes at first, but then I realized those small holes is actually what the shotgun does. You don't have to aim. Well, you have to aim a bit. And now I understand why they use the shotgun in video games and call it the noob gun, right? Because it's so easy to just kill somebody with it. All you have to do is just aim, shoot, and you will definitely hit something. Doesn't matter what. Oh my god. Can't imagine the damage it does something to a real human. Incredible. And the Kalashnikov. I did not try the full power one. I think it was 11 bullets of clicking, click, 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 instead of holding it and shooting it full auto. I was kind of disappointed at that, but also in the end scared that well, you know, when you shoot full auto, it just goes, the kickback is so strong you can lose control of the gun. I think for the first time it was great. He was surprised, especially with the Kalashnikov. Must be the Eastern European genes from the inside. I was like, I don't know how many I hit, definitely 9 or 8. And one hit in the 9. He said, yeah, good, very good. So I'm happy with that. Ooh, man, so exciting.